Peace and a hearty welcome to our Good Word Public School, where excellence is achieved through education and ethics. This is the primary gateway. Great and glorious morning. Our Good Word Public School is set up at Red Hills, Konimedu village with the widespread green lushy land. It aims to provide good and quality education and overall development of the students and strive to bring transformation among the first generation learners and thus transforming this society. We also bring up our student God-fearing to develop and inculcate great human values. In connection with all, we have well-trained and dedicated teachers, spacious and ventilated classrooms, equipped lab, library with adequate books, and widespread wonderful playground for students' all-round development. Our school being an uplifting platform for the students and teachers' development in all aspects. Our school is situated on these 3.9 acres of widespread land. The student entrance and parking is towards the right. The staff parking and entrance is towards the left. Our school provides transport facility to the students and staffs. Here in the entrance, we have our school security reiterating the COVID-19 safety precautions like sanitization, temperature checking, wearing of mask, etc. to people who enter our school campus. Entering through the student gate, to the right is the indoor play area, which is 375 square feet. It comprises of the table tennis, carom, chess and other indoor games. Adjacent to it is the volleyball court with an area of 6025 square feet. We have a football turf measuring 23,829 square feet and a cricket turf measuring 990 square feet. This is an initiative by our school to develop them in sports activities based on their interest. Walking across the staff parking, we can find the lushy greenery which aids in balancing the ecosystem inside our school premises. This greenhouse is 1900 square feet in area, where we have some botanical species that are also used as teaching aids for our students. Many plants and saplings in the premises were planted by the Eco Club of our school under the Plant a Tree campaign. We have also started an initiative to donate saplings and plants during students' birthday. Boundary wall. We have a complete boundary wall with all four sides to ensure student safety. The art on the walls were painted by the students of our art club during club promotion activities. Sports area.
Our sports area here is exclusively used for competitive sports like athletics, kho, kabaddi, and martial arts like silambam, karate, etc. The area allotted for athletics is 58,810 square feet. These activities help students stay fit and develop their reflexes. This space of 2,500 square feet is the assembly area. Around 1,000 students can be accommodated adequately. We have a kids play area for their recreational activities. It helps in their physical and mental development. Main block. At this block entrance, COVID-19 safety measures are undertaken again, just in case and to be assured. Block A. Now we are in the ground floor of Block A. The ground floor in Block A comprises of an administrative office, a smart room, art room, and other classrooms. Each and every floor is under surveillance through the CCTV to monitor the safety of the students. Student Skill Board. Any extraordinary work done by the students or an important order is displayed on the notice board near the administrative office. Classroom. The classrooms here with an area of 500 square feet. It can accommodate 40 students adequately. It is well lit with natural lighting and additional lighting. The space is well ventilated and spacious to move around. The storage unit and the furnitures have been installed considering the comfort and safety of the staff and the students. Smart Classroom. The Smart Classroom comprises of the Smart Board, Smart TV and with Wi-Fi connection, Computer Lab. The Computer Lab measures 827.5 square feet in area. It is installed with 25 systems, Wi-Fi, 2 printers and 2 copiers. Around 25 individuals can be accommodated adequately. Library. The library is located on the second floor of the Block B. It's home to 5,225 books, a wide range of periodicals, multilingual dailies, 850 reference books and varieties of magazines. It is connected to the school Wi-Fi and has a smart TV installed. Book lending and stacks are maintained digitally. The library has 3 different spaces: the stacking area, reading area for students and faculty. Physics lab. The physics lab is of 825 square feet and can accommodate 30 individuals. A wide range of apparatuses like tuning fork, measuring scales and tapes, potentiometers, galvanometers, spectrometers, prisms, wedges, balances, etc. has been stacked. Information regarding physics is displayed on the walls and blackboard. The storage units are provided to keep the apparatus safe. A demonstration table is installed at the front. Biology lab. The biology lab has an area of 875 square feet and can accommodate 40 students adequately. Numerous 3D representations of botanical and zoological specimens have been decked carefully on the shelves. Two-D representations are displayed on the walls and blackboard. A demonstration table is set up in the front. Chemistry lab. The chemistry lab can accommodate 30 individuals adequately and has an area of 626.5 square feet. It is well lit and ventilated naturally. Additional lighting, electric fans have been installed. The experiment area has gas and water supply. The lab also consists experimental apparatus like pipettes, burettes, conical flasks, volumetric flasks, beakers, tongs and forceps, spatulas, balancers, ring stands, clamps, funnels, test tubes, droppers, Bunsen burners, watch glasses, boiling flasks, crucibles. Proper storage facility is provided to store chemicals and solutions safe. Considering the safety of the students, the labs are under surveillance through CCTV. In case of an emergency, the lab has safety equipment like first aid kit and fire extinguishers are installed. Information regarding experiments and chemical substances are displayed on the walls and blackboards. The do's and don'ts are highlighted on a separate poster. The issue, repair, and replacement of every equipment and objects are recorded in the stock register. Language Lab. The Language Lab is utilized to develop the language skills of our students. A smart board and laptops along with headphones have been installed for speech training. Wi-Fi facilities are provided. Posters are developed here to enhance students' literary knowledge. As a part of the language club, activities like Spell Bee, treasure hunt, drama, etc. are conducted periodically. Maths Lab. The Maths Lab is utilized to demonstrate mathematical theorems and problems to the students in a practical way. Experimental apparatuses like weighing scales, rulers, abacus kits, 3D shapes, etc. are available. A smart board has been installed. Wi-Fi facilities are provided. Art Room. Art room can accommodate 40 students adequately. It is well lit with natural and additional lighting. The ventilated space helps in relaxing the young minds and indulges them in their art. Storage unit is provided to stock the art supplies. Heritage Room. The Heritage Club room is exclusively allotted to honor and bring forward the rich and diverse culture of our country. Various information about our country's ancient dynasties, education, civilizations, cultural traditions, World Heritage sites and monuments are all displayed through 2D and 3D aids. The models of Red Fort, India Gate, Tanjavur Temple prepared by our Heritage Club can be seen. Health Room. The Health Room comes under the Health Club of our school. Students in need of a first aid or a medical emergency are instructed to visit the Health Room. Counseling Room. Of next is the Counseling Room, where the student counselor is available during school hours to help students overcome their stress and advise them regarding their queries. The committee deals with issues relating to sexual harassment and child abuse at the Goodword Public School, Konimedu. It is applicable to all students, staff and faculty. A written complaint may be addressed to the chairman of the committee. If the committee is made to any of the committee members, they may forward it to the chairman of the committee against sexual harassment. The committee will appoint 15 student representatives who will play the roles such as acting as peer complaint mediators with whom the students can discuss their issues, participating in peer workshops and work with teachers towards a plan of action, creating peer facilitators within their own grades who keep a track of any cases,
Report and observe the misbehavior of any student for possible abuse or issues. Special educator. Our special educator tries to address the different behavioral issues and learning difficulties among students. Different types of remedial methodologies are practiced and proper guidance according to the case study report is provided to the students. Continuous follow-ups are also consistently maintained for the betterment of the students.
Washrooms. The washrooms are equipped with water taps, EWC and IWS. "24/7 water facility is available. There is an average of 20 washrooms in each floor. There are 39 washrooms for girls, 49 for boys, 6 for the faculty and 4 for the disabled. Drinking water facility. Drinking water dispenser is available on each floor where students can refill. RO water taps are available in the ground floor for drinking purpose. Safety measures. Safety guidelines has been followed and adequate measures have been installed in each floor. Fire extinguishers, first aid kits is available on each and every floor. 2 stairways for each block also serve as safety exit. Trash bin. Each and every classroom is provided with 2 colored garbage bins. Blue for paper waste and red for plastic waste. 1 green bin with lid is available in every floor for biodegradable waste. We take this moment to thank the IC members team for having patience in watching the higher secondary inspection video. Thank you once again on behalf of Good Word Public School.